Welcome to Wisdom for Seeker of Truth video, where we explore the secrets of success and the mindsets of high achievers. In this video, we will be unlocking the 14 mindsets that can help you achieve your goals and reach your full potential. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and personal growth as we dive into the strategies and tactics used by successful individuals. Let's get started on this path to success together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Point number 1. Clear vision. High achievers have a clear vision of what they want to achieve. They set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals that are aligned with their personal values and aspirations. They know what they want and are willing to put in the effort to achieve it. Point number 2. Self-discipline. High achievers have a strong sense of self-discipline. They are self-motivated, and they do not need external motivation to get things done. They have the ability to delay gratification and focus on long-term goals rather than short-term pleasures. Point number 3. Positive attitude. High achievers have a positive attitude towards life. They focus on the good rather than the bad and use positive self-talk to reinforce their beliefs and attitudes. They are resilient in the face of setbacks and failures. And they see them as opportunities to learn and grow. Point number 4. Growth mindset. High achievers have a growth mindset. They believe that their abilities can be developed through hard work, perseverance, and dedication. They embrace challenges and view them as opportunities to improve their skills and knowledge. Point number 5. Focus high. Achievers are focused on their goals. They prioritize their tasks and eliminate distractions that may hinder their progress. They use time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique to maximize their productivity. Point number 6. Perseverance. High achievers persevere through challenges and setbacks. They are determined to achieve their goals, and they do not give up easily. They use failures as opportunities to learn and grow. And they use their past successes as motivation to continue pushing forward. Point number 7. Willingness to learn. High achievers have a willingness to learn. They are constantly seeking new knowledge and skills to improve their performance. They are open to feedback and use it to improve their performance. Point number 8. Resilience. High achievers are resilient. They bounce back from setbacks and failures quickly and use them as opportunities to learn and grow. They have a strong sense of self-belief and do not let setbacks define them. Point number 9. Embrace change. High achievers embrace change. They are adaptable and flexible, and they are not afraid to step outside their comfort zone to try new things. They see change as an opportunity to learn and grow and use it to their advantage. Point number 10. Network of support. High achievers have a network of support. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals who share their values and aspirations. They use their network to stay motivated, receive feedback, and gain new perspectives. Point number 11. Accountability. High achievers hold themselves accountable for their actions and outcomes. They take responsibility for their mistakes and failures and use them as opportunities to learn and grow. They set high standards for themselves and do not make excuses when they fall short. Point number 12. Respects time. High achievers respect time. They understand the value of time and use it wisely. They set realistic deadlines and prioritize their tasks to ensure they meet their deadlines. They avoid procrastination and work efficiently to achieve their goals. Point number 13. Strategic thinking. High achievers are strategic thinkers. They analyze situations and think critically to develop effective solutions. They consider multiple options and weigh the pros and cons before making decisions. Point number 14. Focus on strengths. High achievers focus on their strengths. They understand their strengths and use them to their advantage. They seek opportunities that align with their strengths and delegate tasks that are outside their area. Thanks for tuning into our video on Unlocking the Secrets of Success, 14 Mindsets of High Achievers. We hope that you found this information useful and that you are now equipped with the tools to achieve your goals and dreams. Remember that success is not just about hard work and talent, but also about having the right mindset. By adopting these 14 mindsets of high achievers, you can unlock your full potential and reach new heights. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal development and success. And as always, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.